Hi, I'm Cheyenne Johnson. I'm a fifth year here at SVSU. I'm an elementary education major with a content focus in math. I wanted to become an orientation leader because I wanted to be able to have a new relationship with my peers and get to know more people on campus, because coming in, I came as a transfer, so I didn't really get an orientation like that, and I just wanted to have that part because everybody always talks about how fun orientation is and how everybody's always so close afterwards, and I wanted to have that sense of belonging. At the beginning, the students are always a little bit uneasy, like coming in, they're not sure what to expect, but I feel like even offering this for them is huge because half of them didn't even get a graduation, and they're not even upset to have to wear masks. They keep it over their nose the whole time, and I think I love that the most because that's the one unsettling thing, was like, what's the mask situation gonna be like? But it doesn't get in the way of the experience that we're having here. We're still having fun, it still seems normal, so I like that. I think SVSU taking the time to tell us what they're expecting from us is huge because we don't come in confused on like what they're expecting, especially with the Practice 5. Like, those are 5 set rules that we need to like do to be able to come back on campus, and I think letting us know that, especially like people living on campus, like for housing, all those emails are sending us about how it's going to be different, but it's just nice that we know that we're coming into a structure so we don't really have to be confused on like what's happening. So it's nice that we know we have to wear a mask, so we don't have to be unprepared, so we can bring masks with us, we can bring hand sanitizer with us, we know we have to wash our hands a lot, we know that there's going to be distance in the classroom. So I think SVSU doing that helps us to be able to like respond well to it because it's not anything new to us since they've told us so much. I think it's important for people to be socially responsible because we all want this kind of education, and I think being in person gives us a whole different vibe than being online. So if we just take the time to wear our face covering, wash our hands, practice social distancing the best that we can in the classrooms, I think we'll get the college experience that we're all looking forward to and all wanting. I'm looking forward to being back on campus and in class with like my cohort and everything. I like that the desks are kind of spread out because I'm a kind of student that likes to spread out my homework. So now I don't really have to feel that bad about like taking up too much space, and I think it'll just make it a better, like more intimate kind of relationship with your professors, especially with having to cut down on class sizes as well. I think it's going great. Like, having come in as a new orientation leader and as a new person to orientation, I feel like it's running very well. If I wouldn't have been told like all these changes have been made, I wouldn't have known it. Like, we're still having all these sessions, we're still playing social distancing games, so it's just fun that they made it seem like it's not this huge change that it really is.